Today I'm going to be showing you how to make two separate bunny wreaths. So first, this lovely grapevine bunny. And for my second video, I'll be showing you how to make this lovely deco mesh wreath with a bunny and eggs. Now to get started with our first wreath, you'll need a grapevine wreath form in the shape of a bunny. You'll need some bunches of flowers. I've chosen some pink and blue and some baby's breath. And I just picked this cute ribbon up from a lady on Marketplace. And I have a couple of carrots. One I had left over from another project, and the other one, the gingham one, I got from Dollarama. I bought this adorable sign from Dollar Tree. I'm using the Happy Easter portion of the sign for my first wreath, and then I'm going to use the bunny at the top for my second wreath today. I'm just bending the ear in so that my ribbon will fit on it, and just measuring the length and just going to trim around so that it will fit on the ear. And I'm happy with that, so I'm just going to hot glue it on. And I'm very happy with those ears. I think they're very cute. And now I'm going to move on to the flowers. I just went ahead and cut the white flowers. As far as the pink and the blue ones go, I'm just keeping them in their whole bunch. I'm just cutting off just a little bit of the stem at the bottom there. And I'll just stuff that whole bunch down into that grapevine. So I'm just going to put the pink flowers facing down at the bottom. And it's just that easy. They're not going anywhere. They're nice and snug in there in the grapevine. I'm just trimming off my blue flowers. Just the bottom of the stem was just a bit too long. And you just want to leave about an inch or inch and a half of the stem at the bottom. And I'll just add in my white flowers. I have 5 bunches, so I'll have to put 3 on one side and 2 on the other. And because these are smaller pieces, I am gluing them. Just putting some hot glue on them here. Stuffing them in there into the grapevine. And I just left a little space in between my flowers so that I can put my bow there. I'm just making a simple 2-loop bow today. And just adding my pipe cleaner so that I can secure it on. And just going to make a knot. Just going to fold it into thirds and glue it, and then just glue it on to the middle of the bow. And just attaching it. Just make sure it's nice and secure. Give it a good 4 or 5 twists and trim it off. I just love that. I love how the bow matches the ears. I just think that's so cute. And I'm just going to prepare to attach my carrots. So this one came with a jute string attached. So I'm going to use that jute string to tie it around. And I'm just tying it in a double knot to make sure it's nice and secure. And I'm putting a little dab of glue on there. And my other carrot came off of another project. So where I pulled the bunny off, you can see there, that's where I'm going to put the hot glue. So put a lot of hot glue on there and secure it down, glue it onto your grapevine. And I did put some hot glue to glue the carrots together, but I'm also going to add some fishing line just going to tie that in a double knot at the back. And there you can see my carrots are attached. They're not going anywhere. I haven't been showing you, but I guess I should, that this is very messy. The grapevine gets everywhere, so I have been cleaning up as I've been going, and just so you have fair warning, it's messy. And I found this tiny black ribbon in my craft supplies, so I'm going to use that for the hanger at the top. I'm just going to tie that in between the ears. And my sign, if you remember, it had the bunny at the top and then the happy and then the Easter. They were 3 separate pieces and they were attached with jute. So after removing the bunny, I just took the jute and put it through the grapevine where the twine holds the grapevine together, and just gave it a good amount of hot glue. And on the other side as well, there's jute cord that's attaching the 2 of those pieces. And so I'm just gluing the jute cord onto my grapevine. I absolutely love how this turned out. I just think it is so adorable and sweet. I think the grapevine is so pretty. And I love these little jute bows on the sign and the carrot. If you're enjoying my content, please like and subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, you can hit that notification bell and it'll notify you when I upload new content. Please stay tuned as I have another bunny wreath coming up for you today.